The Supreme Court adjourns the Subrata Roy's appeal against arrest to April 3rd. Now remember, yesterday Supreme Court said that the bailout amount for Subrata Roy is going to be 10,000 crore rupees, 5,000 in cash and 5,000 in bank guarantee. And Supreme Court has been told by Sahara Council that it's virtually impossible to deposit a cash and bank guarantee of that much amount. In fact, the net worth of Subrata Roy is not of that huge amount. So that is the word coming in from Supreme Court. Let's go straight to Sriram, who's been tracking all the developments closely. Sriram, what really happened at the court and what's the step forward?
Just as we expected, Nisha, the Sahara Group was very categorical in their submission today, saying that it is virtually impossible for them to get that kind of money going right now, especially because Subrata Roy is in jail. Notwithstanding the fact, they again reiterated the submission, basically taking the same stance that they have done before, saying that the Sahara Group companies or the directors do not have the wherewithal to get that kind of cash. They don't have that money. Now, this is the same submission that came in today as well. In fact, what one of the counsels went on to say is that as of September 2012, the balance sheets, the audited balance sheets which were submitted with the Supreme Court, show that the two Sahara companies in question, which raised the money through this controversial OFCDs, they were worth about 600 crores at the end of September 2012. That is after repaying the investors, and the directors in the prison do not have the means to get that kind of money, and therefore the arrest is really is not warranted as per law. Now, the Supreme Court really hasn't taken, the judges have not taken a view on this yet. The next hearing is on Thursday. The SEBI lawyer, of course, countered this view, saying that there is a precedent in Indian constitutional law where in case the appellant believes that the order is wrong, they have to go for a review. They cannot ask for a separate bench to consider this. So pretty much, just as we thought, Subrata Roy cannot get out of jail that easily already. He'll probably have to wait at least till Thursday and find out what happens.
Of course, Thursday is what we will wait and watch out for, Sriram. But just to make one point, that Supreme Court has said that a larger bench should be hearing the custody case of Subrata Roy. Do you not agree that this will just delay the entire process and Subrata Roy will have to spend time behind the bars for a much longer time? What are the counsel saying on this, especially from Sahara's side?
That's exactly what everyone is saying, because yes, the bail has been allowed, but just as immediately the cheer kind of faded away itself, because everybody realizes, particularly the Sahara Council realized, that it is really not going to be an easy task to get that kind of money going. 10,000 crores we're talking about. This is and this is when the companies have already maintained over a period of time that they don't have the money. Now, if they don't have the money, where are they going to bring it from? And if even for someone like Subrata Roy to negotiate this kind of a deal with any of the banks, he'll have to be outside talking to these banks, pulling those strings that he wants to. But then, if he's behind bars, who's going to do it for him? So it's really a tricky situation for Subrata Roy. He is not, and like everyone said, even the Sahara lawyers, in fact, fear that it might be a tougher task than it looks like. Even yesterday, it looked like even yesterday.